back to Crabtree Creations. Pardon how I sound. I've been under the weather for the last, I don't know, 5 days or so, and I've had a hard time recovering. But I wanted to get this video out to y'all. My daughter's birthday is coming up next month, and so I wanted to get the invitations out to the kids, and she's inviting 8 families, which is 29 children. So we're preparing for that. We're having a swimming party at our house, and her birthday's in April, and it's cool. It's not warm enough for the water to be warm enough, but we have a heated pool. So we're going to heat our pool for the week prior, so that our kids can come over and swim and everything, and she can have a good time. So both of our kids wanted a swimming party now that we live in a house with a pool, but one's birthday's in October and one's in April. Neither one are exactly pool weather, so you do what you got to do. So the invitations, I was looking on the internet and to just get some inspiration, and it's kind of a hodgepodge of different things that I saw on the internet, and so I wanted to show you what I had decided to do. If you saw my Dollar Tree haul earlier this week, you saw that I hauled 8 of these building blocks that are like Legos. They fit with Legos. They're not the Lego brand, but they do fit with Legos, and there's 48 pieces of each one. I got 2 packages of yellow, and then 2 packages of blue, 2 packages of the red, and then 1 black, and then 1 white. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to carefully take off the staples of each one of the packages, and I'm going to mix them all around so that each baggie has some of each of the colors. So I'm going to turn you down so you can see what I'm doing, and then I'm going to show you how I'm going to turn it into her birthday party invitation. So I'm going to turn you down right now. So now you can see what I have in front of me. So I'm just going to carefully, if I had a staple remover, that'd be great, but I do not. So I'm just going to carefully remove the staples from each one of the bags, just like this. And I'm just going to take off this little cardboard piece, just like that, and discard that. So you have the little baggie like this, which is great. That's exactly what I want. Okay, so I already did it with this red and this white. So I'm just going to continue with all the other colors. Now that I have them all taken off, I'm just going to very carefully, at the very edge, just cut a straight line so that I can get the blocks out of the bag. And I didn't cut enough of that. Okay, I'm just going to dump those out. And I'm going to save the bags because I'm going to use them in just a minute. Okay, now that I've got all the blocks out here, I'm just going to kind of mix them all up, and I'm going to put them back in stacks. There were 48, blocks in each package. So I'm going to put 48 blocks back in each package, but they're going to be a mixture of all the colors. Okay, I've got these yellow cups. I got 8 of them. So I'm just going to spread them out so that I can put the Legos down in it. So I'm just going to grab some red ones and put one red one in each cup. I'm going to go into blue. And white. Okay, now that you've got them all sorted, there's 44 pieces in each cup. We're just going to gently put them back in each one of these baggies. So now each one of the invitations will have an assortment of colors. Now that you have that, instead of putting this back on there, I have made this and I have changed it to protect the privacy of my daughter. It says, you're invited to the 10th birthday of, and then my child's name is there, and then I've got some Legos over there. And on the other side, it says where, when, time, and then the information about we're heating our pool, and then where to RSVP. And on the real invitation, we have my child's name and our address and the day and the time and my phone number. But for privacy's sake, I redid this. And I printed the originals on cardstock. So then what I'm going to do is take these same bags, just like that. And then I'm going to put these down over it like that. And then I'm going to staple it back on there. And so the child will get this collection of Legos with their invitation. So, and that's what the back side looks like. So my child will just take that to church with her, because all the kids that she's inviting go to church with her, and just hand them out. So that's what it'll look like. And in the near future, I'm going to be showing you how I decorate our home for her Lego birthday party. I've got some really neat ideas of things I'm going to do for her Lego birthday party. So stay tuned for that. See you next time.